Hey guys, Steve here. This is my very first motorized bicycle I built. And this thing is fun. I put on over 200 miles on this bike already. Now everything's been running great except for that CDI that I had problems with before that I talked about in another video. But the one problem I've been having that I haven't really dealt with yet is this stupid kickstand. Now this is the original kickstand that came on this bike, and I don't think it was built to have this extra weight added to it. It's about 25 pounds for this engine and other parts. So I've gone ahead and I bought a brand new kickstand, and I want to show you this thing. This thing is awesome. So it looks like a normal kickstand, but when you kick it down, it turns into a Y. Now this is powerful enough to hold up this bike, and it's super easy to install. It comes with all the hardware that you need, and all you have to do is remove one screw and stick this on. The great thing about this is when you kick up one leg, both of the legs come up. And this keeps the bike not leaning at an angle, but straight up and down. And it's built for many size bikes because it has an adjustable leg. Let me show you this. So this is the kickstand, how it would sit as you're riding the bike. It's kicked up. Both of the legs are right next to each other. If you were to flip these down, it opens up into a Y. When you kick up one leg, both of the legs come together. On the back of these legs, there are adjustable screws, so you can set this to any height that you need for whatever size bike that you have. I've already measured this out, and I'm ready to install it on the bike. So let's do that now. There is the kickstand, and there is the one screw that is holding it on. All you have to do is remove that. This has come loose just from shaking. This is not the cause of my problems. So let's go ahead and we'll remove this screw. With the old kickstand gone, we will take our new kickstand, fold it up, and we'll stick it right under the bike. So just like any normal kickstand, you kick it down with your foot, and since this is going to hold up the bike, pick up the back of the bike and the legs flip out. So there it is, a quick fix to my bike problem. Now my bike shouldn't fall over. Now I will leave a link to this kickstand in the video description down below, so be sure to check that out. And be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I will have more videos coming out, so I'll see you then. Have a good night.